Don't mind me, I'm just recovering from my very awesome vacation that I just took last week. I'm still not over the sunset by the beach or the gushing sounds of waves, but most importantly, the very comfortable and fancy hotel room bed. Luckily, if there's one thing that I can recreate at home, it is the fancy hotel-like bed. Hello everyone, welcome back to DesignCafe's YouTube channel. I'm Ananya Joyce, your interior architect, here today to show you how to turn your ordinary bed into a hotel-style bed. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before we dive into the video. Here's all the things you would need for this setup. We're starting off by adding the mattress cover and topping it off with a top sheet. To secure it tightly in place, here's an easy hack. Use a flat ladle or a spoon from your kitchen and tuck it in. Next comes your quilt or a blanket covering half the bed, and also tuck this in on the side. Following up with a soft and comfortable duvet by covering a little more than half of the bed. Design tip of the day. Now, one of the main difference between our own bed and a hotel-like bed are always the pillows. Of course, a lot more pillows adds a lot of look, but that is not the main thing. The lifeline of your pillow also makes a lot of difference on how it looks on your bed. Now, how do we find out if your pillow is worn out or still good to go? You can grab any of your pillow and fold it into half and hold it for 10 seconds and then leave it out. If it bounces back, that means your pillow isn't worn out yet. If it doesn't, then it's time to change your pillow. We're adding our larger pillows at the back and layering it with smaller and prettier throw pillows. More the better. And that's about it. There we have it. There we have it. No more vacation hangover with this fancy hotel style bed at the comfort of your own home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share it with all your interior decor enthusiasts. If you're looking for interior, you can click on the link in the description box below for a free design consultation from one of our expert interior designers. Until next time, take care. See you all.